In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Kuda app. So if you have been facing any challenge with your Kuda payment app, then let me show you how we can solve this problem for once and for all. Maybe the app is not opening, or it keeps on crashing, or it can't just respond. There are quite a number of steps you can take to solve this problem. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, the first thing you need to do is to access the app information page in the first method to solve any issue with your Kuda app. To access the app information page, just go ahead and look for settings option, and from settings, scroll down until you see this option called apps. If you tap on apps, look for this option called manage apps and tap on it. And now, depending on your Android version and your smartphone, it might differ, but this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Look for the app called Kuda, and here it is. If you can't find it, you can use the search function up here. And if you go ahead and tap on it, now you can see we are on the Kuda app info page. However, if getting here is quite tedious for you, then let me show you a shortcut method to get to the app information page, because this is where we shall do our first troubleshooting. For that, just go back and then look for your app. And once you find your app, go ahead and long press on it, and you should be able to see app info up here. Tap on it, and this will take you to the same app information page. From here, we want to go ahead and clear the app data, and more especially cache data. So if I go ahead and tap on storage, you can see we have a lot of cache data here. And one of the reasons why your app is malfunctioning is because of this cache data. When you talk of cache data, we are talking of small files that are normally stored on your app to enhance user experience. However, the more these files accumulate, sometimes they might cause your app to malfunction. So go ahead and tap on clear all data, and then tap on this second option, clear a cache, and then OK. And this will go ahead and wipe all the cache data on Kuda app. From here, restart your smartphone and see if the problem has gone away. If this didn't solve your problem, then you might want to go ahead and come again to this page, and then tap on this option called clear all data, and then OK, and that should have solved your problem. However, if you are still facing any issue, then you might want to go ahead and look for the app through Google Play Store. Now, for that, go ahead and look for your app through Google Play Store. So I'll go ahead and tap on Google Play Store and then search for my app, and you can see my Kuda transfer and payment app is here. From here, look for any update if it is available. One of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you have been using an app that contains bugs, or it doesn't have the latest features that support its functionality on your smartphone. Go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Kuda app on your phone. Once that is done, now you can proceed and open your app and start using a newly and fresh updated app. So that's how you can solve any issue related to Kuda app. If you have another question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.